ladies and gentlemen, this is your first officer. We have started our descent. We have quite severe weather conditions out here today, so please return to your seats and fasten your seat belts.
The captain has turned on the seatbelt light. Please take your seat and fasten your seat belts. As we begin our approach, please make sure that all seats are in the upright position and trays are put away. Thank you.
Cabin crew, prepare for landing.